Hello students, welcome to my class. Hope you all are fine. So today in English I am going to explain the chapter Oliver Finds a Home. This chapter is the story of a boy whose name is Oliver in the story. Okay, and I would like to tell you one thing beta कि this chapter Oliver Finds a Home, actually it is not the complete story. It is only an extract from a famous novel titled Oliver Twist. Okay, and this novel was written by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens, he was an English writer and a social critic also. He is considered as a literary genius because he created some of the world's best known fictional characters. You know what? उसने कुछ ऐसे characters के names रखे अपने novels और writing work में. They became very famous all over the world. Okay, and A Christmas Carol, A Tale of Two Cities, they are his best known work. He died on June 9, 1870. Right children, Oliver Twist, it was Charles Dickens' second novel, and this story centers on an orphan boy whose name was Oliver Twist. Right children, so before I begin this story, let us focus on the title Oliver Finds a Home. अगर आप इस टाइटल को सुनते हो तो what image do you have in your mind कि ऑलिवर को घर मिलता है, means he finds he gets a home. But we can have one question ना कि everybody has a home, ऐसा हम सोचते हैं. No children, we are lucky people that we are having a home. Okay, there are children who live on the roadside. People don't have sufficient food to eat. They don't have any shelter to spend night. And we don't value all these things क्योंकि हमको ये सब चीज़ें बहुत आसानी से मिल गई हैं. Do we ever realize the importance of parents? है ना, कभी आपको गुस्सा आता है तो आप सामने जोर से अपने पेरेंट्स के बोल देते हो, उनसे झगड़ा करते हो, you don't obey them. Because आपको ये रियलाइजेशन नहीं है कि what is the life without parents. आपको सब कुछ मिल रहा है टाइम पर. Your parents, they are providing you all the things, all the facilities. That is why you're not respecting all these things, you're not valuing it. But there are people, there are children who do not get one meal a day. जिन बच्चों के पेरेंट्स नहीं होते, they cannot put forward their demands ना कि आज मैगी खानी है या चाउमीन खाने हैं, because nobody is going to fulfill all those demands. Well students, and we are going to study the same in this chapter, Oliver Finds a Home. This is a story of a small, poor orphan boy who was brought up in an orphanage. He grows up, and this boy had a terrible time at the orphanage as he didn't get proper food and was hardly cared of. Orphan and orphanage, there are two things. Orphan means a person without family. ठीक है, nobody is there to take care of that child is called orphan. And orphanage, where orphan children, they are kept, they are taken care of. Okay, so what happens, the small boy had a terrible time at the orphanage, and what happens, one day he runs away from the orphanage and he was picked up by some petty thieves. Like many other small boys of his age, he was trained to pick the pockets of people. Pick the pocket मतलब जेब काटना, छोटी मोटी चोरी करना. So let us start the chapter. Oliver Finds a Home. This chapter has two sections, section 1 and section 2. So, as I told you earlier, it is an extract from the novel Oliver Twist. Oliver, an orphan, runs away from the orphanage where he is ill-treated. Ill-treated मतलब bad behavior of the people. जो लोग वहाँ पर take care कर रहे थे, they were not treating Oliver in a nice way. They were cruel. Then what happens? He lands in a den of thieves. अब घर से भाग गया तो कहाँ? चोरों के चक्कर में पड़ गया. And the thieves, they wanted to take advantage, and what they did, they took that boy to rob a house. And then what happens, they were seen by the servants. Oliver became wounded and he was caught by the servants of the house. Servants Oliver को पकड़ के अंदर ले जाते हैं और जो चोर होते हैं वो भाग जाते हैं. Okay beta, so here begins the story, section 1. Before we start the story, let me introduce the characters of the story. Here in this chapter we are having two servants, Mr. Giles and Brittles. Then we have Dr. Losberne. Dr. Losberne जो है, he is a family physician and very loyal to Miley's. And then Mrs. Miley, she is very kind and wealthy, older woman and she is aunt of Rose. And then we have Miss Rose. She is, we can say, in this novel she is a model of female virtue. She is very kind-hearted. She is a young girl. And main character Oliver. Oliver, an orphan born. He is very innocent child, pious child. So, section 1. In the dining room of the big house, two ladies were sitting at the breakfast table. Mr. Giles, now neatly dressed in a black suit, was waiting upon them. One of the ladies was old, the other was a lovely young girl of 17. Brittles has been gone a long time, the old lady said to Giles. Now the old lady, whose name is Mrs. Smiley, she says to Mr. Giles कि Brittle को बहुत time हो गया है, he has not come back yet. And then what happens? He replies, you are right ma'am, 1 hour and 13 minutes have passed. Means 1 घंटा 13 minutes. But maybe he will come soon. Then all of a sudden what happens? A carriage stopped at the garden gate. A fat gentleman got out of it. He hurried into the room. Then what happens? It means these two ladies, they were waiting for this gentleman. अचानक से when they were talking, तो एक carriage stopped out and this person, he came hurriedly. Hurriedly means fast. तेजी से अंदर आया and then he said, I never heard of such a thing, he exclaimed in excitement. My dear Mrs. Smiley, my dear Miss Rose, what a terrible shock for you. कि ये तो मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं. आई नेवर इमेजिन्ड ऐसा भी हो सकता है आप लोगों के साथ. इट रियली वेरी शॉकिंग. Oh, please, Dr. Losburn, will you come upstairs and look at the poor creature? Rose begged. When Dr. Losburn, he was saying all these things, कि ये क्या हो गया? What happened? I never expected this. तो रोज ने क्या किया? बीच में उनको रोक करके क्या कहा? Oh, leave this, doctor. Please go upstairs and check the poor creature. Poor creature. This poor creature, this word is used for Oliver. इसका मतलब Mrs. Smiley and Miss Rose, they were waiting for this doctor, Dr. Losburn. इन्होंने बुलाया था ताकि वो आकर के उस ऑर्फन बॉय को जो सर्वेंट्स ने पकड़ा था उसको चेक करें, क्योंकि वो वुंडेड था. बताया था ना ऊपर इंट्रोडक्शन में कि he was wounded. Now doctor said to Mr. Giles, show me the way to that room. Giles led the doctor to his patient. Led मतलब he took the doctor to his patient's room. The doctor remained in the patient's room for a long time. A large flat box was fetched. Fetched मतलब brought out of his carriage. जिस गाड़ी में वो आया था डॉक्टर, उसमें से उसका एक बॉक्स, डॉक्टर्स के पास एक बॉक्स होता है ना, फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स होता है, तो उस बॉक्स को लिया और वो चला गया. The bell in the bedroom was rung again and again. The servants were hurrying up and down the stairs. At last, the doctor came to the dining room to speak to the ladies. It always happens now when doctor is examining someone. तो जैसे आप मूवीज़ में देखते हो, फिल्म में देखते हो कि कोई ऑपरेशन थिएटर में डॉक्टर है, कभी नर्स अंदर आ रही है, बाहर जा रही है, कुछ इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेके जा रहे हैं, कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स लेके जा रहे हैं ना. तो सेम वे जब डॉक्टर लॉसबर्न एग्जामिन कर रहा था ऊपर ऑलिवर को, तो बार बार स्टेयर से सर्वेंट्स ऊपर जा रहे थे, नीचे आ रहे थे. और आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हाट हैपेंड? द डॉक्टर केम टू द डाइनिंग रूम टू स्पीक टू द लेडीज. दिस इज एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी थिंग, मिसेस मैली, ही सेड, because he was called upon to examine a thief. But old lady ने क्या कहा? He is not in danger, I hope. मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो खतरे से बाहर होगा. No, he will be well again in a week or two, the doctor informed them. Then he asked them, have you seen this thief? No. Hasn't Giles told you anything about him? No. Would you like to see him if I come with you? Yes, I would like to, and I would like Rose to come as well, if she will. अब डॉक्टर ने उनसे पूछा कि क्या आपने उस थीफ का चेहरा देखा है? Have you seen the face of that thief? Both Mrs. Miley and Rose said no. Then doctor told them कि you come with me and you can just see the face of that boy at least once. The doctor took the ladies upstairs to Giles' room. इसका मतलब थीफ को किस कमरे में रखा गया था? सर्वेंट के रूम में. He pointed towards the bed. There lies the wicked thief, he said. और क्या कहा? कि वो देखो, वो तुम्हारा चोर, वो लेटा हुआ सामने. Okay, the two ladies looked. To their astonishment, they saw a child there, fast asleep. When the two ladies, they looked at the face of that small boy, they were really astonished, surprised कि बिल्कुल मासूम, innocent सा एक चेहरा था. A mere child मतलब बिल्कुल सिर्फ एक मासूम बच्चा. His face was white, his wounded arm lay across his chest. जिस हाथ पर जख्म हो गया था, है ना, चोट लगी थी, वो उसकी चेस्ट के पास था एंड ही वॉज रियली स्लीपिंग. The ladies crept softly to his bed. Crept softly मतलब they walked slowly without making any noise ताकि वो जग ना जाए. Miss Rose bent over him. With a gentle hand she brushed his hair from his forehead. The boy moved and smiled in his sleep as if he felt her kindness. और बच्चे ने क्या किया, जैसे ही मिस रोज ने हल्का सा अपना हाथ उसके सिर के ऊपर रखा, उसकी जैसे आपकी मम्मा करती है ना व्हेन यू स्लीप एट नाइट, तो हल्के से अपने हाथ से आपके सिर पे हाथ फेरती हैं, सेम मिसेस रोज ने ऐसा किया. तो उस जो बच्चा था वो हल्का सा मूव किया और उसके चेहरे पर एक स्माइल आ गई. इसका मतलब क्या, फीलिंग्स है ना. कभी क्या होता है, आप ही वॉज टच्ड, हालांकि वो जगह नहीं हुआ था, बट स्टिल ही कुड रियलाइज दैट काइंडनेस. What can this mean? Mrs. Miley asked. This poor child is no thief. तो उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं, ये कैसे हो सकता है, ये बच्चा चोर तो हो ही नहीं सकता. He is so young, Rose said with tears in her eyes. Let us go into the next room. Dr. Losburn said to the ladies, we must not wake him up. कि यहाँ बातें मत करो, otherwise the child will wake up. चलो दूसरे रूम में चलते हैं. Okay, so scene 1 is over. Now we are having section 2. In the next room, Miss Rose continued. Think how young he is. Perhaps he has never known a mother's care. Perhaps he has never had a home. Poor boy. Oh auntie, don't let him send this boy to prison. कि प्लीज आंटी इस बच्चे को बचा लो, हम इसको जेल नहीं भेजेंगे. My dear, said the old lady, do you think I would harm one hair of his head? Harm one hair of his head मतलब कि I would not cause the smallest hurt or injury to him. Nothing would happen. You don't worry. हम हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं ना, बाल बांका ना होना, हम कहते हैं उसका एक हेयर भी कोई टच नहीं कर सकता. यू डोंट वरी, वी विल प्रोटेक्ट हिम, वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ दिस चाइल्ड एंड आई मस्ट हेल्प ऑल आई कैन. व्हाट कैन आई डू टू हेल्प दिस बॉय, डॉक्टर लॉसबर्न. तब उन्होंने डॉक्टर लॉसबर्न से पूछा. आपको पता है डॉक्टर लॉसबर्न जो है, ही इज़ वेरी लॉयल टू दिस फैमिली, तो ही इज़ लाइक अ फैमिली मेम्बर. तो डॉक्टर लॉसबर्न ने कहा कि लेट मी थिंक. Kind-hearted doctor he was. So for some moments he looked thoughtful. Then he asked, "Can we trust the servants to say nothing about the boy?" कि जो आपके घर में जो servants हैं, क्या हम उनके ऊपर trust कर सकते हैं? Yes, Mrs. Miley told him. They will do as I tell them. Yes, of course, we can trust the servants. So this line is important. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो servants हैं, they are very much loyal to Mrs. Miley. Good, said the doctor, but first of all let us hear what the boy has to say when he wakes up. If we find him innocent, we will help him, but if we find that he is guilty, then we must hand him over to the police. Do you agree? Now, doctor suggested, okay, now this boy is sleeping. एक बार इसको उठ जाने दो, हम इससे बात करेंगे. Let us see what he wants to say. And if we find कि this boy is really an innocent one, इसकी कोई गलती नहीं है, तो हम इसको बचाएंगे. अदरवाइज इफ यू फाइंड ही इज गिल्टी, गिल्टी मीन्स दोषी है, अगर इसने कोई ही इज द कल्प्रिट, इसने कोई गलती की है, देन वी विल हैंड दिस बॉय टू द पुलिस. और इस बात के ऊपर बोथ द लेडीज दे गॉट एग्रीड. कहते ओके. नाउ फॉर दे वर श्योर बिकॉज ओलिवर वॉज इनोसेंट. उन्होंने एग्री इसलिए किया क्योंकि उनको पता था कि जो ओलिवर है वो तो इनोसेंट ही निकलेगा. ओलिवर स्लेप्ट ऑन फॉर मैनी आवर्स. In the evening when he woke up, he was very weak, but he was anxious to tell his story. The ladies wept as they heard of his miserable life. The doctor tried hard to hide his tears. They did their best to comfort the boy. Oliver slept at night with a smile on his lips. He had found a home. You know what? Miserable life क्या होता है? Difficult life, full of miseries, problems, troubles. जब ओलिवर ने अपनी स्टोरी सुनाई तो मिस रोज एंड मिसेस माइली started crying. There were tears in their eyes, and even Dr. Losburn, he couldn't hide his tears. ठीक है ना? So now Oliver, he told each and everything of his life. Doctor tried hard to hide his tears, but he was not able to. Oliver slept that night with a smile on his lips. आज बड़ा शांति से, जैसे उसके अंदर बहुत कुछ था. He told everything to these people and he thought as if he had found a home. Now they all had decided that they had to save Oliver from the police also. And जो उनके servants थे, Giles and Brittles, they were also trained, so they were ready with their story. तो what happened when the police came to ask questions, Mr. Giles and Brittles were ready with their answer. They said Oliver had accidentally wounded himself while playing with a gun. He had nothing to do with the robbery. Means they were ready with this answer कि ओलिवर ने कोई चोरी नहीं की है, एक्चुअली ही वॉज प्लेइंग विद ए गन, उसको चोट लग गई. एंड द हाउस ब्रेकर्स वर टू इविल लुकिंग मैन, मतलब उनका लुक भी अच्छा नहीं था, बड़ा अगली सा लुक था. एंड हाउस ब्रेकर्स क्या होता है बेटा? वन हु एंटर्स समबडी एल्स हाउस, जो दूसरों के घर में चोरी से घुस जाता है विद बैड इंटेंशन चोरी करने के लिए. ओके, सो उन लोगों ने कह दिया कि जो हाउस ब्रेकर्स थे वो तो भाग गई, वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट गंदा सा लुक था उनका. द सर्वेंट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ डॉक्टर लॉसबर्न टोल्ड देयर स्टोरी वेल. द पुलिस बिलीव देम एंड ओलिवर वाज लेफ्ट इन पीस. नाउ पुलिस वेंट अवे because they trusted whatever was told to them by the servants and Dr. Losburn. And now Oliver was left in peace. So Oliver found love and kindness here. Mrs. Miley and Rose loved the boy very much, and Dr. Losburn also. Now what happened? Now the spring month came. The Mileys took Oliver to their house in the country. Mileys क्यों आया यहाँ पर? देखो Miley के साथ S लगा हुआ है, इसका मतलब we are talking about the all family members. Okay, so the Mileys took Oliver to their house in the country. Country का मतलब क्या होता है? आउटस्कर्ट्स, जैसे कि शहर के बाहर का वो हिस्सा जो बड़ा खुला होता है, ओपन एरिया जहाँ पर फार्म हाउस वगैरह होते हैं. आपने वहाँ पे फ्रूट के ट्रीज लगाए हुए हैं, बड़ी ब्यूटीफुल, ठीक है, सीनिक ब्यूटी होती है वहाँ पर. तो वहाँ पर लेकर चले गए. एंड देयर द फ्रूट ट्रीज वर इन ब्लॉसम, द गार्डन and the fields were full of flowers, and how the birds sang. Oliver had never known such peace and such happiness. Oliver को वहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा लगा. उसने ऐसा माहौल, ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर पहले कभी नहीं देखा था, बिकॉज वो तो ऑर्फनेज में रहता था, है ना. एंड ही वॉज नॉट ट्रीटेड वेल देयर. एवरी मॉर्निंग Oliver went to an old gentleman who taught him to read and to write. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसको एक ट्यूटर के पास भेजा जाता था ताकि वो पढ़ाई कर ले कुछ. ऑर्फनेज में तो उसको पढ़ाया नहीं जाता था, है ना. तो मिसेस माइली एंड मिस रोज ने उसके लिए एक पर्सन अरेंज किया जो उसको पढ़ाया भी करता था. और शाम के टाइम सब इकट्ठा बैठा करते थे, बातें करते थे. रोज को पियानो, जो मिस रोज हैं, शी प्लेड पियानो एंड शी sang ऑल्सो. और ओलिवर को वो सब सुनना भी अच्छा लगता था. Old Mrs. Miley loved to listen to this, so did Oliver. Okay, म्यूजिक उनको अच्छा लगता था, मिसेस माइली को भी, ओलिवर को भी. Every night he slept peacefully in a clean bed in his own room. अब उसका एक अपना रूम था, क्लीन बेड पर वो सोया करता था. 3 months passed by. They were months of perfect happiness for Oliver Twist. Okay, है ना अच्छी स्टोरी, ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी. So बेटा, what is the message you get from this story? नंबर 1, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ फैमिली, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ होम, जो हम समझते नहीं हैं. जैसे ओलिवर की लाइफ में पेरेंट्स नहीं थे ना, कोई था ही नहीं जो उसको प्यार करता. हिज लाइफ वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके, बट ही वॉज लक्की दैट ही गॉट मिसेस माइली एंड मिस रोज. एंड व्हेन ही केम इनटू देयर कॉन्टैक्ट, उसको पता चला कि फैमिली क्या होती है. ऑलराइट, सो ऑलवेज गिव इम्पॉर्टेंस टू योर फैमिली, टू योर पेरेंट्स. हमेशा अपने पेरेंट्स को यू हैव टू ओबे. This is a very beautiful message you are getting this. And then second message is that time never remains same for anyone. Earlier, Oliver, he was not happy, but the time changed and he led a happy life thereafter. Second message, time never remains same. And next, one more message कि we should never think कि that this world is full of bad people. क्योंकि हमें ना ये नहीं कि इफ़ वी आर चीटेड बाय समवन, किसी ने हमारे साथ चीटिंग कर ली, तो हमें ये एटीट्यूड नहीं रखना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि इस दुनिया में सारे लोग ऐसे हैं. ओलिवर को अगर हम लें तो ओलिवर वॉज नॉट ट्रीटेड वेल इन द ऑर्फनेज. उसको सब गंदे लोग मिले, चोर मिले, बट फाइनली ही मैट गुड पीपल ऑल्सो. इस दुनिया में अच्छे लोग भी होते हैं, बुरे लोग भी होते हैं, बट द थिंग इज़ डैट हमें उनको पहचानना है. ठीक है ना बेटा. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज विच यू गेट फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी इज नेवर इन योर लाइफ यू शुड हैव गिव अप एटीट्यूड. मतलब थक करके हारना नहीं है. अब ऑर्फनेज में देखो ओलिवर के साथ कितना बैड ट्रीटमेंट उसको मिलता था, तो लेकिन वहाँ पर वो सेटल नहीं हुआ. उसने ये नहीं सोचा कि चलो जैसा भी मिलता है मैं यहीं रहूँगा। नो, ही रन अवे फ्रॉम द ऑर्फनेज, क्योंकि उसको लगता था कि उसे कहीं और कुछ और चाहिए लाइफ में, और वहाँ से भागा वो। बेशक एक बार गलत चोरों के पास भी वो मिल गया, बट अल्टीमेटली लाइफ में उसको हैप्पीनेस तो मिली ना। अगर वो वहीं पर गिव अप कर देता और बैठ जाता कि चलो ज़िंदगी भर मैं ऑर्फनेज में ही रहूँगा, देन देयर वाज नो सॉल्यूशन एट ऑल। इसीलिए हमको लाइफ में सोचना चाहिए, बेटरमेंट और एडवांसमेंट के लिए स्ट्रगल करना चाहिए, गिव अप एटीट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए। That's all about this chapter. Hope I could make it clear. So now if I come to question answer part, देखो जैसे कि क्वेश्चन ये वाला है, आपका बुक में भी दिया हुआ है। There lies the wicked thief. Did Dr. Losburn really think that Oliver was a wicked thief? Give a reason for your answer. No, we don't agree with this, क्योंकि like Melis, he was clearly surprised to find that the thief was just a small boy. Okay, now second question. Why was Oliver anxious to tell his story when he woke up? He was anxious because maybe he must have been afraid of going to jail and wanted to prove himself innocent before these kind people. Okay, what do you think were the reasons for Oliver's happiness at the country house? Number 1, he must have been happy to receive the love, care and companionship of Melis after the many hardships he had suffered in his short life. This was probably the real reason why he was so happy at the country house. Right, children? So, hope the question answer part is also clear to you. You should be able to do all the back exercises. Okay, in case of any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Definitely they would be answered. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you haven't done till now. Thank you. Take care.